Ever imagined your superhero soaring through the skies, having superpowers like manipulating water or super strength? There's a brand new AI image generator in town, and it's making waves. It's called Flux One by Black Forest Labs. Some are even saying it's a strong competitor to MidJourney. In some cases, it surpasses it. Today, we'll dive into Flux One, check out its features, and see if it lives up to the hype. Before we start experimenting, here's what you need to know. Flux One was developed by a superstar team, including folks who worked on Stable Diffusion. They've been behind some big AI projects, so you know you're in good hands. Flux One comes in three models: Schnell, Dev, and Pro, each offering different levels of power and cost. Let's break down these models quickly. Flux One. Schnell. It's the fastest, ideal for personal use, and even open source under Apache 2.0. Flux One Dev. A step up in performance, meant for non-commercial use. Flux One Pro. Their top-tier model, designed for enterprise solutions, offers the best performance. You can try Flux One directly on Hugging Face, using their Schnell or Dev models for free. Here, you'll find a basic image generator where you can enter your prompt and tweak a few settings like seed, width, and inference steps. But if you're looking for a more advanced tool, there's a platform called Glyph. Let's build a quick workflow using Glyph Flux Pro. We'll start with a simple prompt like a superhero flying. Glif allows us to refine our prompt using LLMs like ChatGPT to optimize it. Once done, we plug the optimized prompt into the image generator, select Flux Pro, and voila. Here's our dynamic illustration of a superhero soaring. A pretty solid output, don't you think? Next, let's test Flux One with an illustration prompt. I'll try a Shrekify illustration of an angry bear, the villain. The result is good. Let's push it further. A cyberpunk photo of an angry bear, the villain. Better, but not quite there. And finally, a watercolor painting of an angry bear, the villain. It's closer, but compared to MidJourney, it doesn't quite hit the mark. Now, where Flux One shines is in text rendering, an area where most models struggle. Let's try a superhero holding a sign that says subscribe. And there it is. Nailed it on the first try. So, is Flux One the MidJourney killer? Well, it's got potential, especially in text rendering, but it's not perfect. What do you think? Ready to give it a try? Hit that like button if you found this helpful. Subscribe for more AI tool reviews, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. See you next time.